What's up, everyone? Oh my gosh, that's the guy who planted the spring, or the herbs on the spring. Meanwhile, what's up, guys? We are catching a sunset hike slash stroll down to a private Red Rocks beach. Apparently clothing optional, which is wonderful. Check out the view that I get to walk with. Heading down, hiking this trail. I haven't even been back to California. I've only been back for like 11 hours, but I've already gotten acupuncture done, and I've gotten a really scenic view driving down the coast, or up the coast, and now we're getting to this. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place to hike. Hi. Welcome. It's a beautiful path. It'll take me some time to hike it, but it's perfect. It's a perfect path. The temperature is about 16 degrees. It's brisk. It's quite nice. It's dry. It's so... honestly, it's just refreshing. Enjoy the ASMR of the beach. I hope this video can be soothing, calming, and relaxing ASMR. As you come with me through this POV hiking. I saw a couple of blue jays earlier. Apparently I've heard there are aggressive birds. If you like this video, and if you like watching POV hikes, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment telling me what your favorite hike is in the world. It doesn't have to be in California. Just anywhere in the world. What is your favorite hike? What's your most memorable? You can list your favorite or top 5. I have several memorable ones, and this one is definitely going to be top 5 for sure. We've passed Muir Woods and Muir Beach. That over there is Stinson Beach. This is Red Rocks Beach. Hearing the ocean and the birds is wonderful, so I hope you enjoy this video. Beautiful terrain, honestly. Obviously, it's much drier here, so there's a lot more brown than in a place like Taiwan. But what I love about this kind of hike is that it just feels so brisk. and boom, there you go. Stinson Beach. The temperature is just so cool at 16 degrees. It's dry. It's just wonderful. Very chill. And while I'm waiting for spring water to fill up, I get to embark on a hike. Natural solo hiking. I can hear the ocean waves and it is so relaxing. So I hope you can take it all in with me. For those who haven't been here before, you can experience it. And if you'd like to know the location, feel free to leave a comment below asking me where this place is. And I'm happy to share the Google Map location with you if you've made it this far and have listened to me and watched this video thus far. Quite nice. There are times like these when I feel like I think I have some brilliant hiking thought, but I really don't have thoughts right now. I'm really just enjoying the view. The ocean brings it out of me to really stay present with the moment. And what it does is I just feel so much at peace. Oh my gosh. This is a leek plant. There are leeks here. Beautiful. That's a leek plant. I can smell the leek, actually. I can smell the fresh leeks. This is a leek plant growing. Wow, this is beautiful. This one's a baby leek. Gosh, I think I see some other herbs too. Oh my gosh. Wow, there are lots of herbs here. This is beautiful. It's really nice. But yes, the ocean really brings it out of me. The ocean makes me really stay present with the world, where I can clear my mind completely. So I invite you to take a deep breath, meditate with me as we check out this lovely, gorgeous area. And chillax here. Oh, this is so beautiful, literally. Love it here. Please meditate with me and join me. Breathe in and inhale, soak in the wonderful ocean breeze. Even if you're not with me in person, live, of course, the reason why I record videos like this for you is not only so that I can remember these memories myself, but it's to take you guys with me, even especially if you can't be with me in person. You can still be connected with me and enjoy the view and imagine the fresh leaf smells in the aroma. Imagine the sand kicking up your feet on the rocks from hiking. Listen to the ocean, waves hitting the rocks. Just take it all in. 24 hours ago, I was in Taipei, and look at me now. So, if I can make time to come out here for a hike, I encourage you to do the same. To get out of your, let's go here, going off the beaten path just for a little detour. I encourage you to find pockets. Even if you can't do this since you're in the city and you can't do this on a weekday or whatnot, I encourage you to find moments, pockets, these little pockets to practice presence, quiet. You can even come back to this shot. Imagine you're standing off the cliff just like I am. And true to form, it is a nude beach. And imagine that you are just enjoying Mother Nature. So this is the Red Rocks beach that is clothing optional. Shall be partaking in the festivities myself. For that, unfortunately, I will not be able to. Oh wow, it looks like I can also come down here too, but it looks a little steep and I'm not confident that my shoes will take me there, so I'm gonna go back around. I'm really glad I wore a sweater because it is actually quite chilly. 16 degrees. But because we're by the ocean, it probably feels more like 14. It's windy. Do you see the dog running? Cute. This is actually a very short hike. I was told it would take an hour, but it took less than 20 minutes. It would have taken me 10 if I wasn't so diligently filming for you guys, but this is definitely a sight you must see. There is, out of respect for the other nude patrons, obviously I will not film them, but I do want to show you this amazing beach. Thank you for listening to my voice. It's gorgeous. We've made it. The man is building a rock tower. I love that people really find time to do things like this. Careful. This is great to do after an acupuncture session too. Just had an amazing 40-minute acupuncture session, but now we've made it to the beach. I love it here. This beach is gorgeous. Thank you guys for coming with me. Now it's time for me to strip. So he's making rock towers like these. So cute. And more rock towers over here too. How cute is that? So pretty. All right, time for me to strip. I'll see you guys on the flip. Peace.